Thanks, Denise. Kingston College is a known football and track and field powerhouse over the years. However, for over 2 decades, the school that produced the likes of Michael Holding has been struggling to replicate the success of the other major sports, especially at the senior level. The KC Cricket Committee is determined to change that scenario soon.
Kingston College last won the Issa Grey Shield cricket title in 2000, and chairman of the KC Cricket Committee, Mark Nita, says an under-19 title is imminent.
Our hope is that within the next year or so, not only win these competitions, but we'll also win the under-19. We want to be triple champions, and we want to put KC in a position once again that we are considered to be a cricketing powerhouse. Everybody knows KC as a football and track and field powerhouse. We want people to consider KC to also be a cricketing powerhouse.
KC defended their Issa under 14 and under 16 titles this season, and it's part of building a sustainable long-term cricket program.
Over the last several years prior to last year and this year, our cricket program was really dismal, and we made a concerted effort to rebuild the program. But in doing that, we had to put the foundation in place. The foundation really is getting good, qualified coaches, and we did so in Shane Brooks and Robert Samuels. And with the support of the KC headmaster, Dave Myra, we set about strategically to try and start to build our program from the bottom up. Hence our success at the under 14 and under 16 level over the last 2 years.
And for next season, the plan is a clean sweep of the urban area titles.
Because building our cricket program from the ground up, from the under 14, under 16, and we have won those 2 competitions in back-to-back years, we believe we have the foundation for winning the under 19. A lot of our young players will be now ready to play with all the age groups. And we think we have an outstanding to win in 2027. And if we don't win in 2027, then 2028. We have set ourselves a long-term goal.
It's only fitting that they have a night for themselves where they are celebrated for the hard work that they have put in. Look forward to next season. We'll be coming better. We'll be working twice as hard. We'll be looking to try and get the under 19 title that has alluded the last 26 years.
Nita and coach Shane Brooks were speaking at their inaugural Cricket Awards dinner to honor the cricket team and program at the Melbourne Cricket Club.
I think we, as a group, we have worked very hard. The guys put in a lot of work, supported by the coaches, myself and Robert Samuels. We have been putting in hard work. These guys responded well. They stick to the plans, they work with the program, and quite fitting. They are under 16 and under 14 defending champions.
I'm feeling very happy, proud of myself, even though I was kind of expecting this because the training and the hard work that I put in before the season started is just paying off right now, so I was expecting this. I think it's a good initiative. Congratulate the players other than myself who did extremely well, because without the other team members and without the help of the team, we would not be able to be successful. So I think it's a very good initiative to congratulate the other players as well.
Rajay Magishi, who helped KC to the titles, was the MVP of both competitions.
It makes me feel very proud and honored to be a part of Kingston College cricket, and all of my performances give credit to the coaches because they work day in, day out with me. Even on training days, I get extra time. I go to them and ask them for advice, their opinions on certain things.
And Magishi is already looking ahead.
For next year, my plans are to just do better than what I did this year and try to boost my individual performances.
Janice Walters for TVJ Sports.